Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to read crochet symbol charts. Here we have a tiny little crochet symbol chart that I just made up for the sake of this tutorial. And as you can see, there are several different symbols here that we are going to be learning and using in this tutorial. And I will also explain a little bit more about them in the next clip by showing you the standard stitches that are used by crocheters all over the world. Alright, so first and foremost, we will first familiarize ourselves with this standard crochet chart symbols. So this can be found at yarnstandards.com. Alright, so in this particular tutorial, we will use the chain symbol, the single crochet symbol, double crochet, and treble crochet. And if you look closely at the symbols, they actually make a lot of sense. So let's say we have this single crochet. It's like one short stitch over here. And if you want it to be taller, you elongate this part. You want it taller, add a slash, even taller, add another slash, even taller, add another slash, so on and so forth. Now back to our little chart here. So before we start doing anything, we will need to learn how to read the direction of the chart first. So in this case, you will see an arrow here that tells you you have to go from your left to your right. Right, so this is your left to your right. And this number shows you the multiple of foundation chains that you need to make. So in this case, it's a multiple of 6. Now let us do a little hands-on practice. I encourage you to take any yarn or hooks that you have or that you're most comfortable with and practice along with me so that you can familiarize yourself with how to use the charts. So let us start by making a foundation chain with a multiple of 6. In this case, I am making 12 chains, right? So it's 6 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 chains in total. Alright, let me pull up my check boxes. Okay, so we have just completed our foundation chains. Now for our row 1, we will start with a turning chain first and then go from your right all the way back to your left. Okay, so we make single crochets into each chains here. That gives you a total of 12 single crochets. So let's do that. Starting from your second chain from the hook. Alright, so we have completed our single crochet row. Okay, that is your row 1. Next up, for row 2, we will start from here and go from your left to your right again. Okay, so we start with these 3 chains that counts as a double crochet here. And then chain 2, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet into 2 stitches. Ending with chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the final stitch. So let's do that. Starting with your chain 3, turn your work, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch again, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch again, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the final stitch, right? So as you can see, this thing actually looks like the chart now. For your final row, we will start from your right and go all the way back to your left. And we will start with 4 chains, skip 2, 2 treble crochets into 1 stitch, 2 treble crochets into 1 stitch, skip 2, 2 treble crochets into 1 stitch, 2 treble crochets into 1 stitch, skip 2, treble crochet into the final chain 3. Let's try that. So starting with your chain 4, this one will count as a treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 counts as a treble crochet. Turn your work and we go from right to left. So skip 2, treble crochet into this stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochets, treble crochet into the next stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, skip 2 again, and treble crochet into the next stitch, 2 treble crochets, treble crochet into the next stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, skip the last 2 chains, and then make a treble crochet into this third stitch, okay, the third chain. Treble crochet into this. Right, so there you go. After you've completed the tiny little swatch that we did just now, it will look identical to the crochet symbol chart. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn something new today, and hopefully you can use the chart on your own. If you want more tutorials like this kind, or if you have any thing that you need help visually, drop a comment and let me know, and I will try my best to record something like this for you. I will see you in my next video. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye bye.